Me and P-Burn were riding the other day, and just feels like my throttle's hard to pull, hard to twist, versus when I was riding his bike, same bike. His was a lot easier to twist. This one like gives you arm pump just twisting it, snaps back and everything. But then he was looking at it and said that I got the cable routed wrong. I'm supposed to have the cable on the inside of the frame between the frame and the gas tank. I've got it out here, which puts that thing into a bind, that little brass thing that the cable goes down into. I got a new cable, so I'm gonna try clean that all up. Try routing the cable the way it came from the factory. See if we can't make it a little easier to pull in. Change the throttle cable. All you should really need is some Allen wrenches, little Phillips, 8mm. Take the seat off, gas tank off, throttle assembly apart. See, right now I've got the cable routed on the outside of the frame, so that thing's in a bind. So P-Burn was saying that it's supposed to come down through here, and then the gas tank sits over it, which will turn that like that. Should be a more straight shot. Put the new cable on it. Get it routed where it's supposed to be routed. See if it doesn't help. Got that all apart. One more thing I noticed, where the cable here rides down into the brass piece here, there's a little hole in it. You're supposed to have a little circlip right there to hold the cable in place, which I don't have. So I'm going to take this little baby circlip there, see if we can't modify it to make it work. Since one time I landed off something and this piece pulled up out of here and hung the throttle wide open on me. It's kind of a scary experience. I was trying to go with the circlip route, but I couldn't find a circlip that would work for me. The one that I thought was going to work that I was modifying, I had to crunch it down too much and then it wouldn't go in there. So I figured I have to go try a different route. So I grabbed my carb stuff, decided on I'm going to go with this little O-ring, slide it in there, and then slide that in. Should hold it. It's holding its little happy home. It's a pretty tight fit. That should work. You can see a little bit of it hangs out right there. To hold it in place. And down on your little 6mm that you have that holds your slide in place, it's got a little groove in it. So once you get the cable in there, and you got your spring, you want to make sure that little groove there slides down into that little groove on your 6. New cable, got it routed the right way. Got that little deal fixed so the cable doesn't pull out of there anymore, so that's kind of nice. It's a little snappier. Should be good. I wasn't really liking the throttle pull still, so I had a stock KTM throttle tube assembly. I took the cable guide and the bushing out of the KTM one. That bushing's way sweeter. Cable guide's good too. It beats that setup and that setup. And I slapped it on there. Like that. That like that. Take this one. And take this one. This one goes down here. Take the Phillips, tighten that up. Not really tighten it, just snug it up. Oh yeah, like butter. Sweet doggy. And you got the tank back all on. Got the cable routed where it's supposed to be routed. That's all in there nice and tight. Use a little O-ring for a tank strap. The throttle feels like butter. Just the right amount of play. Snug your nut back up and you're ready to rock and roll.